Open the glove box. Remove the damper cord. In this case, it was missing from the vehicle. Push in on the sides of the glove box and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing door. Reinstall the damper cord and raise the glove box. In this case, it was missing from the vehicle. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.